Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create the Chinese Halberd. It could be called a knife or a sword. It has a half crescent shaped moon blade. And we'll go ahead and create a new design. We're going to do this in inches, so make sure you're drawing in inches if you want to follow along. Go ahead and minimize. I'm going to drag this picture in I got off the internet, this JPEG file. Full size. We're going to click on it, go to move. We're going to grab that red or the blue, and we're going to turn this so this is centered. And we'll move it into the middle. Okay, that's good. Control minus. Let's pan down. We'll put a line in here. I'm going to rotate the handle. This crescent moon shaped blade is going to get extruded, and then the blade will be extruded. So we'll start up here. Control minus. We'll go down to the tip there. Select the click off. Now we're going to control plus. We'll pan down. Not sure what that extra line is doing in there, but we'll get rid of it. Click on that line, get rid of it. Okay. Let's pan down. Let's get the line tool. Control minus to zoom out. I'm actually going to come down to here, and then I'm going to add these details in on the knife blade later. So we'll go control plus. Let's pan up. I'm going to put this round stuff in here. So we'll go from there to there, and then we'll kind of bow that out a little bit. Now we'll get the 3-point arch again. Go from there to there. We got to pan up as we go. Need the 3-point arch. Go from there to there. Right there. Pan up a little bit. Let's get to 3-point arch. We'll put a arch right in here. Get the 3-point arch. We'll go from endpoint to endpoint. Pan up. There's quite a few of these little, I think what I might do here is just draw a circle. Just draw a series of those. Go ahead and click on the circle and click on move. I'm going to drag those over till they are close. Then we'll copy one more, Control C, Control V. Move this down. Hit Control V to put the other one back. Now we'll click on it, move it down a little bit, right there. All right, that's good enough. Now I'm going to go 3-point arch, go from that point over to here. All right, let's go ahead and get our trim away tool. Start cutting this stuff. Let's go Control plus so we zoom in a little bit. Trim away. Let's get all this stuff. Let's cut that. Let's pan down. Trim this, trim that. Get the trim away, just get that one. Trim away. Okay, let's put a fillet in here. So we'll go fillet there, fillet there. Undo, create round. All right, let's Control minus. Let's put a fillet up here. Okay, this stuff's going to get revolved. Let's pan up. Okay, we might have to move this stuff out a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and get our select tool. Let's drag a marquee around all of that. Click on the move. No, I didn't want to do that. Let's go. That's a little better. Just wanted to move that out so it's a little bit thicker. And then we want to move let's move that handle in a little bit. Right to there. Okay, that part's going to get revolved. So let's go ahead and draw our blade. So we're going to actually click on that line there, right mouse click, set as mirror, and then we're going to start drawing our blade out. Let's pan up. Let's get our 3-point arch. Go from there down to there. Bow in a little bit. Okay. Now we'll pan up. Let's get our 3-point arch again and go from there to the end point. Then we'll bow out a little bit right there. Okay, now let's pan up. Now we have to put these little cuts in here. So let's get our circle. Go there and let's go ahead and copy that, paste, click on the move, let's move this down, paste to put the other one there, Copy, paste. Paste to put the other one there. Okay, you'll do some adjusting on these. Looks like I'm going to have to move these over, so we'll go copy, paste, grab the green arrow, slide these over, paste to put the other ones back. Okay, let's pan down. I'm going to start drawing that moon-shaped blade there. So let's go ahead and get our 3-point arch, put a point there, and then we'll bow that out. Let's do this again with the 3-point arch. Endpoint to endpoint. Let's pull that in a little bit. Let's get rid of this. We don't need that line there anymore. And then get rid of this moon over here. We don't need that half moon or quarter moon sliver. Let's put another line there. Go from endpoint to midpoint. Okay, this is going to get revolved. This will get extruded. Let's go ahead and put our lines out there. I'm just going to come straight over. That's good enough. Then I'm going to offset this line. Click on that line, hit offset. I'm going to go down to there. And I'm going to offset again. 0.141. Then we'll come down 0.141. Okay. Now we're going to get our trim away tool. Trim away those pieces there. Alright, now let's go ahead and get rid of this graphic. We don't need it. Delete. Let's go ahead and pan up. Control plus into these circles here. Got to do a little adjusting here. So let's go ahead and move this up. So we'll go to move just a little bit so it's right on top of the other line. And we'll do the same with the bottom line. Alright. Now I'm going to move all of these over, so I'll hold down the control key. Just so the plus is on the other side of the blade. So we're going to do the same here. I'm going to get rid of these. Okay, we're going to select these. Hold down Control key. Copy, paste, Control C, Control V. And then drag till the plus is on the other side. Control plus to put up the other ones back. Now we're going to get our trim away tool. And we're going to cut that shape there. Uh-oh, undo. Okay, just go ahead and delete that line. Delete. We got some sharp points there. And do the same on the left-hand side. Delete these. Let's get rid of those. Go ahead and select, click on that, get rid of it. Okay, I'm going to put a line here so these aren't so sharp. I'm going to come straight down. Then we'll trim. Get another line from there. Come straight down. Select the click off. Now we'll delete. Just don't want those to be so pointy. Almost done there. Get rid of that one. Get rid of this extra one here. There's a couple of lines there, so. Okay, undo. Okay, there we go. All right, so this is going to be these are going to be our blades. Let's pan up to make sure this looks good. Okay, that looks good. Now we're going to go ahead and revolve that. Okay, let's go ahead and add Control minus. Pan it down. Let's go ahead and pull this. Let's click on the revolve, click on the midpoint, full pull. Let's pan down. Okay, that looks good. Let's go ahead and extrude this. Oh, I think we got to close those up, so let's undo. Let's go back to there. Let's get our line tool. Endpoint to endpoint. Endpoint to endpoint. Let's go ahead and pull. Let's do this piece again. Revolve. Midpoint. Full pull. Let's extrude this. Pull. Pull from both sides. Spin this a little bit so we can see how far we're pulling it. Click on pull. Both sides. Let's go 0. Let's make it thin, 0.06. Let me spin to make sure that's not too thick. No, that's not bad. That's good. Okay. Now let's put our chamfer in there. So we'll pull, change that to chamfer. Do a chamfer of 0.3. Okay, let's spin this. Let's get pull. Select that line. Change the chamfer. Put a chamfer in there of 0.3. Okay, that's going to be our main cutting blade. Let's go to top. Let's go ahead and spin this. Let's pull this blade here. Pull from both sides. I'm going to pull the same amount as the crescent moon, 0.06. Okay, let's spin that around. Looks good. Let's Control plus to zoom in. Go ahead and pan up. Let's put our chamfer in there. Chamfer. Oh, 0.3, 0.03. Okay. Let's spin this. Do the same here. Chamfer. 0.03. Okay, let's spin this. Do the same on these right here. You can get them all. Pull, chamfer, 0.03. All right, let's zoom in, Control plus, let's pan down. Let's put chamfers in here too. Let's go to chamfer 0.03. Looks good. Spin that, pull, hold down Control key, change the chamfer, type 0.03. Okay, let's go ahead and spin this to the back side, pull, let's grab them all at once, hold down Control, change the chamfer, type 0.03. Okay, let's go pull. Let's get these, hold down Control key. Change the chamfer, type 0.03. Uh-oh, it's not wanting to do those. Let's try one at a time. 0.3. Okay, looks like we got them. Okay, I'm going to pull this handle a little bit farther into the blade. So go ahead and pull. Let's go 0.2. We'll spin that around, and then we'll pull this one here, 0.2. Let's pan over. Spin this. That's a little bit better. Okay, let's pan down. Spin this around. I'm going to add a fillet right here. Let's do 0.02. Grab that piece. 0.02. Okay, let's get these two. .02. Let's hold down Control key, get those two. Okay, let's spin this around. Grab spin. And let's do these right here. Go ahead and hold down Control. Get all four of those. Type in 0.02. Okay. This is going to be our Chinese Halberd. Let's go to View, Top. Looks like everything came out pretty good. The only other thing I'll do is Control plus a couple of times. I'm going to spin this. Let's see about putting a chamfer in right here, or fillet. 0.02 right there. I'm going to spin this around to the back side. Let's pull. Do the same right there. 0.02. Okay. And then probably the last thing I'll do, click till everything's selected, and then I'll pull. Hold down Control, get both, and then I'll do a 0.02 there, and then the same up here, 0.02. Let's pan over, select the click off. Looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and spin this. It's got a sharp point where it needs it. Oh, I have to put one right there. I forgot that. Oh, 0.02. Pan down, let's spin, make sure I got all that part of the moon. Looks like I only got the other side, so let's put this one in, the last one. Alright, let's just spin, make sure it's good. Okay, it's got the blade on this side. Let's pan over. Let's continue spinning to make sure we got everything. Looks like we did. Okay, that's going to end our tutorial. Go to top view. This is the Chinese Halberd. One last thing that I'll do. I'm going to go ahead and make this handle a little bit longer. So we'll go to the pull. We'll click there. I'm just going to drag this up 0.2 inches, and then we'll go back to top view. That's better. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of the video. Thanks again for watching.